Hi everyone, so today we are going to be working on deleting initial phonemes. A phoneme is the smallest sound in a word. They are important because they are the smallest sound in a spoken language, and if we understand phonemes, we can understand the relationship between words, letters, and sounds. So I'm going to say a word represented by two open palms in front of me. My left hand is the initial phoneme, and my right hand is the rest of the word. I'm going to ask you what sound is left after the initial sound is removed. So, for example, I will give you a word like land. And if you pull away "ul" from land, what is left? And is left. So again, this will be the complete sound, this is removing the initial sound, and this is what is left. So I want you to give it a try now. What sound is left when you remove from rear? Removing Good. Ear is left. When you have the word beat and you remove p, what is left? Good. Eat is left when you remove b from beat. And the final word, tin. What do you have left when you remove t from tin? Good. You have in when you remove t from tin.